Hey, what's up guys? It's LipstickNick, Morphe's Director of Global Artistry, and today I'm here at Studio Morphe with the one and only MannyMUA.
Hi guys, how are you?
We're here to celebrate something extremely special.
We are basically showing first ever demo of the Morphe x MannyMUA Glam Palette. Should we just open it and show it?
Absolutely.
Oh my god. You guys, it is literally the perfect neutral holiday palette. You get 12 eyeshadows, 2 highlighters. It's literally like the perfect on-the-go girl palette. I use the transitions.
Boy.
I'm girl too. I'm baby.
It's only for girls.
It's only for girls, and I'm a girl. Thank you so much. I'm a dainty woman with little shoulders.
Oh my god, I love you.
Anyways,
it's
you guys.
Universal. It's freaking beautiful. The formulas are incredible. Like, in all seriousness, you have spent so much time literally crafting this palette from nothing, and it's so beautiful, and I'm so excited to create something with you today. But because this is sips and shades, we have to sip on something. I know you don't drink.
Right. You guys did get me some sparkling cider.
You're killing me.
I'm sorry.
All right, now I gotta touch up my skin, and I don't have a brush for it.
Well, I also have a brush kit.
Oh, really?
That's coming out with
my
the
God.
palette. So
Oh,
maybe
please
we
tell
do
me.
have something in here. No, you guys, actually, I'm really stoked because I do have a brush kit that's coming out with the palette. So we have 9 brushes here, you guys, and honestly, we have 3 face brushes, 6 eye whites.
Now you have 8.
And we now we have 8. And now we have 8. It was a wonderful journey that I had with the 9, and now we have 8.
Thank you.
She needs literal help.
I actually do need help right now.
So now we have to pop our bottle.
Let's go for it.
Where do I open it?
I'm gonna let you try to just trial and error for a second.
No, I got this. No, don't look at me.
Ooh,
Oh my god.
nice. Popping bottles. Okay, now you gotta open this one.
Okay, with what?
I'm gonna guide you, but be very careful and listen to every word I say.
Oh my god. Is it? How serious is
It
this?
could hurt.
I'm scared.
Okay, so what you're gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna help wiggle
And
this.
I'm imagining like this popping into my
Be
eye and the
careful.
amount of black eye I would have from this.
Get a hold of it and pop it straight up. Woo! You feel the pressure?
I did.
It usually goes poof, like it could fly up. Excuse me, just
I mean, wow, that was gorgeous.
We're about to be so glamorous.
I'm pouring it on the side because when I was a waiter,
Yeah.
to take away the bubbles, you would pour it on the side.
Absolutely.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, guys, we're gonna transform into our most glamorous selves, sipping our glamorous sips, and talk about some shades. I'm gonna do more of like a smoky natural.
Smoky natural.
Yeah, so basic.
Yeah,
but like
basic. No, but basic,
beautiful.
literally, like basically beautiful.
beautiful and basic.
I'm gonna do a look that I do with this palette all the time. It's like one of my go-to. It's like a bronzy smoky eye too.
All right, let's do
It's
it.
like my go-to moment. But first, I'm gonna highlight my face because I have literally highlighters in here too. And I have Apollo and Nova, and they're both like beacons of light. I just like to mix the two.
Ooh, a little cocktail.
Yeah, I do because we have like a bronzier one for deeper complexion, and we have a really light one for lighter complexion. I just want to do a little.
Ooh,
Little sheen.
ooh, very beacony.
Yeah, it's beacony. Isn't it just so cute? What I like about these two is that they're like soft, but you can build them to be intense.
Yeah, I love that. I'm just priming my lid with a little bit of our white concealer. Why did you name the highlighter Apollo and Nova?
I named Apollo because it is the god of the sun, and it's just a really gorgeous golden highlight, so I just figured it fit really nicely with it.
Right.
And then Nova is like a supernova. Just thought it'd be really cool to like a bright highlight. You know, we have Apollo, which is a really gorgeous like gold shimmer.
I want that one.
And then we have Nova, which is a really pretty like champagne pink.
The pink makes me very happy.
It's so nice. Like I just feel like they complement each other so nicely, and you can just combine them both. And I do that literally all the time. I literally just combine both highlighters. I'm gonna go and take the Morphe M533, and I'm gonna take the shade Sophie and Boy Next Door. These are like the ones I use so often. Boy Next Door. I used to get that comment all the time when I first started out. Just like,
But you're like the boy next door.
And Sophie is actually a character in one of my favorite anime movies of all time called Howl's Moving Castle. And then Howl, the shade Howl on the palette, is literally from that as well.
I have to tell you a funny story.
What?
Okay, so speaking of howling, my dog Noelle, every time me and my sister sing that song Noelle to her, Noelle, something about our pitch, she starts howling, singing with us.
No way!
Yeah, she's never howled her whole, I've never heard her howl.
I have a dog named Zaya, and that's another shade in the palette, and that's like, it's like her color. Now I'm taking the shade Zaya just to give me some more depth and dimension on the outer corner.
No, me, it's Fire Witch. I'm feeling inspired
Yes,
by that.
Fire Witch. But do you see how like this like the colors just build so nicely with one another? Like I
They're
love
literally better.
the dimension.
I didn't even try that hard. I'm like just talking to you.
and just like, and they just work. Now I'm taking the shade Spellbound, which is of course another witchy fun moment.
Fun.
Spellbound.
Witchy. First of all, everyone's getting this for Christmas for me, so if you're
Literally.
watching this and you know me, Merry Christmas. But also, like, my mom gets kind of overwhelmed with a lot of colors, so I feel like it's
Totally.
a good gift for someone that's, like, not necessarily, like, super savvy, but that likes to get ready, you know?
Yeah, that like, enjoys the makeup world and enjoys
Yeah.
the vibes, but not wanting to do something overboard and crazy. And that's exactly what this palette is. That's why I created it, because I wanted something for the people that, you know, are into doing glam that's not over the top. This collab has been years in the making.
Absolutely,
Truly years in the
truly.
making, because it's like I worked with Morphe for so long and so.
When you guys have always, like, talked about it, but then when it
Yeah.
finally was, like, a thing.
It was like, this is like finally, the timing was right. It was great. It was everything. Like we like loved everything about it. So I was like, dude, let's freaking do this. And we have 4 shimmers in here, guys. We have 4. We have Scorpio, Leo, Cancer, and Aries. And what I
Cute.
did
No
with
Gemini,
the 4 shimmers. Listen. So with the 4 shimmers, I did. So I asked my parents and my brothers. I'm like, which of these 4 shimmers do you guys like the most? And they chose, and these like it's all their signs.
That's really cute, okay.
So like my Scorpio is my dad. This was his favorite shimmer. Leo is my youngest brother, Aaron, and then Nick is a Cancer, and then my mom is an Aries. So like that's how we chose like the shades.
That's really cute.
For the shimmers. I was
love
literally like,
that.
what do you guys like? So I'm gonna take the shade Leo, which is Aaron, my youngest brother's sign. And I'm just gonna kind of put that onto the lid.
Oh my god, I'm loving this Scorpio shade.
Do you
It's
like
like,
it?
yeah,
Ooh.
it's so gold. I'm gonna use Howl.
Oh, good old Howl.
Yeah.
And you smoke it down there.
Yep.
I love that.
Little prepared for you, sir.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I love, you guys, I literally just love a warm brown in the waterline so much.
What do you do for the holidays? Like, do you all have like a tradition or like a routine?
I'll spend time with my mom's family and my dad's side of the family, like on Christmas Eve. So we're like more of like a, because we're Mexican, we celebrate on Christmas Eve.
Yeah, same.
Hello. And then on Christmas Day, we'll like, our tradition is actually to go to the movies on Christmas Day. What about you? What do you do?
We usually go to my aunt and uncle's house,
Mm-hmm.
but this year we're definitely doing my house, I think, for Christmas.
Oh.
But yeah, I'm excited. So I like to host. I love hosting parties. So
That's so, honestly, like that's so amazing, because I feel like that's like an actual skill. Dang.
you know what? I am right now thirsty.
Not even a word spoken.
All right, you guys, we're back. We just put on a little lip and a little lash. Feeling complete.
Feeling glam.
Feeling my glam fantasy.
Yes!
Honestly. Holiday glam fantasy. You look stunning.
You look literally like, who are we? Like, I feel like I really feel like a different human when I have this eyeshadow on.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
You slayed. And when we're ready for a holiday party or something, we're going out. We have to go somewhere.
Absolutely.
We can't wait to see all of your guys' creations using this palette and all of your holiday looks. So make sure you guys hashtag MorpheBabe, and we'll see you next time. Happy holidays.
Bye, guys. It's festive. It's fun.
It's
we can
festive
twirl.
for holiday. You can twirl. Where they
What
gonna
I do,
go?
what I
I
know
need
you
to
know.
know.
Okay, you know what? I'm done with you rapping, and you're making me feel inept.
Call me Lil Vu. Do you have BGE?
I don't know what that is.
Big Goof Energy. Here's your new palette collab. Just shorten it up.
Palab. So thank you so much for my palab. I've had great palab, bros.
Why say 2 words? Just
When
let's
you can just
go for
combine
it.
one.
Collab.
Ba-dum-bum.